So the store equipment value is 47318. That's awful close. It looks like, whoops. Don't get confused that this minus this equals this, right? We've got to go this way. You need it. Oh, that's going to be hard to kind of remember. It looks like this minus this, 47318. $49. And then the accumulated depreciation is 16. 626. 00. Okay. And then this minus this is going to equal 30. 692. 49. Okay. So, I don't know. You might just, I wish I had a different, let's see. Do I have something else in here? Here's a pencil. Maybe I can just kind of, right, this is all one calculation, and this is one calculation, right? It's not coming straight down all the way through. Just to kind of remember that. All right. Then we have a total for this little section. Total plant assets. Right? So then this plus this is going to equal 38. Oh, I don't have enough room there. 38,172,43. Okay. Make your own notes if you need to. However, you can make sure you remember this. 38,172,43. Okay, so you can see that. Hopefully you can see that. All right. And then, oh, I should have come down. Never mind. That would help if I came down. That's where my total line is, isn't it? Okay. Total plant assets. There we go. 38,172. 38,172. 43. Sorry about that. Okay, there we go. So that plus that equals that. Okay, so now we've got total current assets plus total plant assets so that we can create a total assets. All right, so this plus this is going to be this, and that'll be 185. 715 40. Okay, now that deserves a double underline, but we can't put it until we know that it's going to equal our liabilities and our owner's equity, and then hopefully we can come back and give it a double underline. Okay, all right, so now we're going to start our liabilities section. And I don't think we've got it labeled as current liabilities, but we don't really have anything long term in here anyway, but I guess we'll go ahead and label it that way because that's the way the instructions have it. So current liabilities, and then we just start listing them, right? Here's all of our liabilities. Yep. All credits. Just list them. So accounts payable. Sales tax payable. Employee income tax payable. Social Security tax payable. Medicare tax payable. Health insurance premiums payable. Retirement benefits payable. So much to go with payroll, right? Unemployment tax payable, so that's FUTA. And SUTA. Federal income tax payable. Dividends payable. Alright. Now I'm just gonna, I don't have anything sub below. I am just gonna list them straight down. So starting with 13, make sure I get these in the right comma start. 1, 3, 191, 28, 2859, 71, 76, 0, 0, 0, 16, 18, 45, 378, 51, 368, 0, 0, 372, 0, 0, 237, 62, 117, 94, 3879, 69, 30,000. Even. Okay. So now we'll add all those up. And our total liabilities is 2678,320. Okay, then our stockholders' equity. Now, everything here came from the adjusted trial balance. Okay, everything here came from the adjusted trial balance. Okay, but your stockholders' equity, we just did a statement of stockholders' equity. So basically everything that we did there is being transferred here. Okay, so this is from the statement of stockholders' equity. Okay, for this part. Alright, so let's go find that, right? Here's your 6.2, your statement of stockholders' equity. Basically what we're looking at is capital stock and your balance of retained earnings. Those are the two things, those are the two numbers we want. We're going to add those together and we'll have our total stockholders' equity. So it's these three numbers is what we're looking at, is what we want to include on our statement. So capital stock, and again it's coming from here, so 8,250. So here 8,250, and then retained earnings And again, retained earnings, and this is took into consideration adding the net income, subtracting the dividends, right? And we have, before we've had this statement, we've always had to just do that on our own as we're putting the number down on the balance sheet. Okay? But if you have this statement, then you've got it already done. So here it's 7643220. Okay? And then we'll add those up to get our total stockholders' equity. And that will be 158,932,20. Okay, 158,932,20, right? Which is also this, these two added together. Okay, so this plus this equals this, all of this plus equals this, I guess equals this. Okay, now we have assets, liabilities, owner's equity. We've got a total for that. Let's add these two up, and this should be total liabilities and stockholders' equity. And that number is 185,715,40. Now, if those two numbers equal, now we can give it a double rule, and there's our balance sheet. Okay? Now, I really hope that I didn't write any numbers down wrong, because then the math wouldn't work out, and I would have caught it if I was doing all the math with you. But just, this is pretty long already as is, and so rather than take the time to do all the calculations with you, I'm just using the numbers that I have. But like I said, hopefully I didn't write anything down wrong. But the main idea is that you get the flow, right? You get what goes in what column, what sequence things are coming down the page, right? This is your go-by now for these financial statements. Okay, balance sheet, income statement, and the statement of stockholders' equity. All right, and making sure that assets equals liabilities from owner's equity equals plus owner's equity. So, and that's the big purpose of this, is that everything's in balance and all of your accounts, all of your accounting processes are good. Okay, so that is 16.3.